Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine, and in this video, I'll be giving you my best tips for oil application. These tips may help you get your desired results because maybe some habits that you have been in the way. But first, if you're watching this video before the end of June, just know that the Horsetail leaf growth oil is currently buy one, get one free. So basically, yes, that's 2 for 1. Just add 2 to your cart. You'll see the price of 1 come up. There you go. This is a very rare sale for KeishaCharmaine.com, so definitely take advantage and double up on your Horsetail leaf growth oil. Tip number 1 is apply your oils to dampened hair. I prefer to oil my scalp and my hair after I wash it. When you wash your hair, that's really the only time when your hair gets fully saturated, therefore fully moisturized. When you have locks, that is. Because of the nature of locks, if we only focus on the surface of our hair, then we're not nourishing the hairs inside of the lock. So when we wash our hair is fully saturated, so moisture is penetrating to the core of our locks. So that's a great time to oil your hair because you're going to be able to seal in the moisture to the core. Which brings me to tip number 2. This might be controversial to some people, but to me, it's a no-brainer. Apply oil to your scalp and your hair. Now, why? For obvious reasons, we want to apply oils to our scalp, especially if they are hair growth oils, because where does hair grow from? Our scalp. So we want to be nourishing our scalps, but we also want to get the benefits on the length of our hair as well. For instance, the Horsetail leaf growth oil is a strengthening oil, so it's really great for the length of our hair to reduce breakage and to keep our hair strong. Which brings me to tip number 3. When you're oiling your scalp, rake any excess oils into your hair. If you're like me, you can be kind of heavy-handed when applying oil to your scalp. So, especially with the Horsetail leaf growth oil, with this type of nozzle, sometimes I could go to work and apply way too much. But it's okay because I end up raking it into my hair. Which brings me to the next tip. If you have a problem with applying too much oil to your scalp, then apply them to your hands and your fingertips first, and then go ahead and massage. And go ahead and rake into your hair and apply into your hair that way as well. That's the best way that you can control how much oil your hair and scalp receive. Which brings me to my last tip. Make sure you're taking time out to massage your hair and scalp. It's one thing to simply apply the oils to your hair and scalp, but when we skip the massage, we're skipping out in a major step. The massage helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. What does the blood flow do? Blood flow helps with hair growth. If you want to go the extra mile, you can invert, go upside down, bend over at the hip so that your head, your scalp is below your heart level, and that way you'll have increased blood flow to your scalp while you're doing the massage. Those are my best tips for oil application to optimize your results. Be sure to join Keisha Charmaine's Healthy Hair Hub. Is completely free to join. All you have to do is text me. Members of my text hub receive healthy hair tips, hair inspo, exclusive deals that only my text hub members have access to. Plus you get one-on-one time with me. I and a member of my team make sure to reach out to you all on a regular basis. We have one-on-one conversations with you all to check on you and see if we can help you on an individual level. So definitely join. And again, if you're watching this in June, the Horsetail leaf growth oil is buy one, get one free. And we have just restocked on the Emu Oil Growth Drops. So for those of you who have pre-ordered, they're going out tomorrow. And for those of you who want to order today, they'll be going out as regular scheduled programming. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below. Share it to someone who you think will find this valuable. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.